Hey everyone, this is a quick update for on Microsoft in relation to one of my followers who asked, "What's going on with Microsoft? Where are we going? What are we doing?" Overall, as you notice, it's a clean chart. I just opened it up right now, and I look at many charts in a day. And honestly, if you looked at going down from there, so it looks like it's hit its bottom or its correction, possibly. And if we jump into 4-hour, so okay, now I sort of know where we're at. So how do we get this level here? I'll show you. All I did was that. So that hit our target there, right? So we know our target's there. We'll put it on the close, meaning if it goes below this, then price action. If it makes a lower low, then it's not it. However, based on that, this is our top here. This keeps our life super easy, super simple. I'll make this 2 so you can sort of see where I'm going with this. And then from there, we'll go to 30-minute. So right now, you can even say that it's sitting on right here. And I would even probably even say it's like that. So what I would run, and I bet you, I wonder. Okay, so that wasn't it. So based on what I'm seeing at the moment in time, this is the frame. So this box here is the frame on where this market is at currently. Now, what I mean by like this was a good retrace, good bullish engulfing off of here, and then it pushed off a little bit, which is cool. But still at the same time, where are we going and why? Now, we need more information. And what I mean by having more information, we try to take it from the past, and we try to take it from a bigger time frame. So looking at that, it corrected 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I bet you this is very 442 to 405, so $40, 455. So that's $20. Interesting. So that's a 1, 2, 3, 4. So the way I would frame this, and I'd probably keep it in the 4-hour, is if we break that 443 marker, I would be expecting to sort of see to the top of here. Now, if we go from here, then I would expect to see a 478. However, based on just where we're at sitting in this moment in time, if we break lower than this, then I would frame it in this way. Go to 422. All right. So I'll label that, actually, I'll keep it super cruisy, I'll label this green. So green for money, right? Green for money, maybe not. Perfectly. Right now it's on good resistance right now. It broke through support, pushed it down, and then now this is resisting. And now you could sort of say that right now it's in a what's going to happen phase. And right now we don't know. You could make your best guess, but overall, based on even my, so it retraced off of the 50%, and it did a nice fib off of there. The other thing that we could run is the fork. Okay, which is interesting. So this fork, I'd probably even, yeah, I don't like that at all. And I like to keep that like that. So I think overall, how we're going to frame this up to keep it super simple is I'll put a box on it. Right? The box of death. We could call it something. So I don't know. We could call it something silly if that's what you really want, if that grabs your attention. The box of death. You could trade it, but you're going to get kicked a little bit too hard and you may not survive depending on how large your account is. Now, based on this level here, we'll remove the fib, is if we break the box of death, I like that, we can go to one level or we can go to two levels. Don't know which one yet. I do see the double top and I do see a correction off of the double top. So it could go from there and then it could drop here and then goes up there, but it could extend as well. So it's hard to say until the market develops more and more data, more fundamentals as well comes into play. If we go past the 422, what other level do we go to if this breaks down like no tomorrow? And 415, that's better. And you may be asking, Kris, where are you coming up with these levels? Why are you talking in such a funny way? And honestly, I've been looking at NVIDIA 7 days a week for, I don't know, a few months now, 4 or 5 months. And so every day, weekly, daily, 4 or 5, and seeing how the market interacts with it, seeing how fundamentals interact with it, seeing what fib lines interact with it. When you go into a market, the best thing to do is super enhance yourself with that market and understand that market is like a kid or a person, has characteristics, good qualities, bad qualities, shitty qualities, and your goal is to figure out, okay, so when is today a good day, and what is a good day for this person or this market, right? And what are those signs that showcase it that it is a good day, to make, what's the best time to speak to this market or to get into this market so that I can lower my risk, increase my reward, and not be burned and not cry. And I just find that doubling down on a couple stocks or a couple markets, forex, whatever it is, crypto is the best thing for you, or myself. And if you like to have 15 stocks, all for it. But for me personally, working on less than 6 in a week, so I find 6 that I like, and I double down, and I weekly, daily, 4 hour, 35, and then I have my bases that I use, which is Tesla, NVIDIA, silver, gold, and then Bitcoin, because I have investments in all, in that manner there. So going forward, ladies and gentlemen, keeping it nice and short, we break up here. I can see us going to those levels there for Microsoft. So 476 would be the high. The top would be 453. Or if we break down, we'll make it red. Red is for dead. No, I'm joking. No, red, you can still make money. You just short it, right? But I don't like to go against the daily trend at all. So that's sort of the gauge for you, in that manner there. And who was it that commented? There's someone that commented on it, and I wanted to make sure that I got the person's name right. Comment Jeej Meg. So sorry if I butchered that name. My apologies. But this is what I'm currently seeing with Microsoft on where it's heading and where it's going. If you want to know more or send me details, I'm more than happy of doing even a bigger breakdown for you. But this is what I see currently with Microsoft going. I'll throw it into the updates, and I will hopefully send you a message directly in regards to that for you. Take care. Have a good one, and off to the next one.